Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by closing the camera app and any heavy background apps. This frees resources that affect zoom. Once done, remove your case and gently clean the lens with a microfiber cloth because smudges or grit change focus. Then restart the iPhone to reset camera services and make sure your iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update. These initial steps eliminate common software and physical issues so you can test zoom behavior immediately afterward. Next, you adjust camera-specific options and reset settings to clear misconfigurations. First, open Settings Camera and disable features like Smart HDR or photographic styles that can interact with zoom. Then perform Reset All Settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset Reset. This won't delete media but restores camera defaults. After each change, open camera and test 1x, 2x, and pinch to zoom to observe differences. These steps isolate whether software settings. If zoom still fails, you move to Advanced Fixes. Update iOS or restore the iPhone from a known good backup using Finder or iTunes to rule out app-level corruption. Once done, check diagnostics in Settings Privacy and Security Analytics and improvements for camera errors, and run a full camera test if available. If diagnostics indicate hardware faults or the zoom remains erratic, contact Apple support or book a Genius Bar appointment for lens module inspection or replacement. Key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.